Hi friends, good afternoon. We were here for bird watching. Actually, we've been following a nest of paradise flycatcher bird for quite some time, and there are chicks in the nest. So I was very keen to take pictures and also make some video today. So I came here in Dehradun only at the specific location where the birds have nested. But there are unfortunate days when the weather isn't on your side, and when once I've reached here, it has started to rain. I'm caught up in my car with all the camera gear and the tripod, and it's raining outside. I'll show you. This is how it looks. It's been raining and I'm sitting in my car waiting for the rain to stop. Oh, and it's raining outside. Still raining. Let's hope that the rain stops and we can make some videos of the birds feeding the chicks and also get some pictures so I can put it in this vlog for you to view. Let's hope for the best. Stay tuned. Cheers. Goodbye.